Hi, my name is Anirudh, and in this video, we're going to cover how do you create a kick-ass website using an AI tool in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so the reason why I picked Framer was it has beautiful templates. I feel like the AI input that you give actually provides beautiful output, and it just seems really cool. I feel like you'll resonate with a lot of the stuff that it gives you, right? So the way you get started with Framers, come to framer.com. Framer.ai also kind of redirects to framer.com. You can click on Start with AI, and as soon as you click on Start with AI or Launch, you get to this page. Okay, you get to this page and you have three options. One is you can watch some tutorials, which I always recommend. It gives you different sections and functionality of how you can use Framer. You can actually copy paste your design or your wireframes that you've created from Figma onto, let's say, a Framer. And then finally, you can start with AI, right? So we'll click on Start with AI. And I think the applications are super important, right? Like all these AI tools are coming out, but finally, how do I use this tool for my use case? So one thing I would use it for is you want to test different ideas as a solo entrepreneur. Great idea, right? Like create the landing page quickly, publish it. You want to collect leads, email IDs, you want to add an e-commerce layer, you could do that, right? Second is you want to create different product pages at scale. You could technically use that, right? If you're, let's say, just starting off as a solo entrepreneur and you want to create your own branding page of the services that you offer, I think Framer again does a fantastic job, right? So it has a tutorial. You can click on this tutorial, right? It wants you to kind of watch it, uh, but you can essentially close it and we can get started with it. And then the Start with AI button opens up, right? So I'm going to click on this. So I've actually already put a prompt together here, right? Where the example that we're going to take is we're going to create like an AI powered marketing agency. So I say we want to build an AI powered marketing agency that offers services like SEO, social media performance. We would like these sections on the website, and we are from the heart of Bangalore. So bring that essence out in some sense. You click on start, and then it should start regenerating, and boom, we get these results, right? So it takes some time to actually generate the landing page, but once it does, you can see it based on the prompt, which was, hey, have these sections, this is the mission, we are from Bangalore. You see it has like a nice hero image, transform your marketing game. It says, hey, we are the AI powered marketing agency from the heart of Bangalore. Our team are a team of cool, spunky, and new age digital marketers offer services like this, right? And then there's like things that you can highlight, our services, right? And then it just sees this. And I think the cool thing about this is you can obviously add layers of text, but it has created all these sections for you, right? So now let's say you're like, okay, you know what, this palette is okay. I mean, I'm not very happy with it. You can always play around with these colors, and it automatically kind of takes into consideration what the palette combination should look like. If you don't like this, you can try another one, right? So there are a lot of these options, right? And actually I like black, and this is kind of cool, right? So this is cool. Now you're like, okay, if this is fine, I want to play around maybe with the fonts. It might make sense to say, okay, I'm going to try this font, right? I'm going to try this font. So it automatically kind of tries to apply that, and if you click on it and it doesn't accept it, it doesn't go maybe with the aesthetic of this whole thing, right? So you can try different things here. So once you have that palette, you can also do the text fonts here, right? You can play around with some of these, right? If you don't like this whole thing, you can always click on regenerate, right? So once you have this website, want to add new layouts, you can click on insert, go to different sections and be like, okay, maybe this requires a testimonial section. So you can have that section, you can click on pages and it'll add pages to the bottom of this, and it'll keep coming as one below the other, right? So I could add blogs and I can add blog articles. There's a navigation bar as well. So it already has like a lot of these cool things, right? So let's say I'm going to add a contact. It should automatically insert at the bottom, and there we go, right? So definitely play around with Framer.ai. I mean, I love the tool personally, and I would love for you to check it out as well.